Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell PEPE coin on Binance. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen first, and then you need to tap on spot. Once done, you will be able to see how much PEPE coins you own, and if you want to get the overview, then you just have to tap on PEPE coin in order to see how much PEPE coin do you have and how much USDT you are going to get if you sell them. Once done, you need to tap on the home tab again. After that, you need to tap on this search bar in the top, and now in the search bar you need to type PEPE/USDT. Once done, you need to make sure that you have selected the USDT pair of PEPE. After that, you need to tap on the sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then it will ask you to enter the amount of PEPE that you want to sell. You can even use this slider in order to select the percentage, and it will automatically select the amount and it will automatically convert the USDT that you will get after selling PEPE. Once done, you just have to tap on the sell PEPE option in the bottom, and then you will be able to easily sell PEPE coin on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.